Hey everyone, it's Miss Ciartel. I just wanted to talk about one of our curriculum areas in our program, life skills. We base almost all of our work on functional life skills. We want you guys to leave our classroom as independent as possible. These are all things that we need to take care of ourselves every day. And this goes for everyone of all ages, from little kids all the way up to grown-ups. One of the most important things that we learn is money skills. We learn how to save money, spend money. We learn how to earn money in a job and create bank accounts. We also learn to take care of ourselves, make sure we stay healthy. We cook. We learn how to clean and take care of our houses and our rooms, laundry to make sure that we always smell fresh. And here's some things that everyone needs to do to take care of themselves. Sleep is very important. We talk about that a lot. Keeping your teeth clean, washing your hair, brushing your hair, our nails, exercise, get out and play. Don't just sit inside on your computers. Hygiene. Everyone needs to have good hygiene. Taking showers, baths, changing your clothes every day. Make sure you're washing your hands. We also talk about study skills. It's important to take care of yourself with your schoolwork as well. And of course, what we're eating and how that affects us at school, at home, and outside. So I look forward to teaching you guys all these things and learning from what you already know.